Poplars without fluff or rescue for allergy sufferers, a unique technology of microclonal propagation of plants listed in the Red Data Book of Kazakhstan, is used by scientists from the National Center for Biotechnology in Nur-Sultan. For several years now, the biologists of a special laboratory have been successfully breeding willow tree varieties that do not fluff or bloom. Poplars retain all the useful properties of the traditional species and also purify the air from harmful emissions, scientists say. Such young seedlings are now actively making the capital much greener. The red book trees already adorn the squares and promenades of the country's main city, such as the Botanical Garden and the Triathlon Park.
Тополь — это гибридные формы, которые получены, например, тополь серебристый при скрещивании.
So we got hybrid types of poplar. Among them was a silver poplar, which was obtained by crossing the white poplar with bald poplar. The trees with male flowers do not give fluff, thereby not causing allergic reactions in people. We also got the Ilya barberry or Thunberg's barberry. It is listed in the Red Data Book of Kazakhstan. We also have Nedzwetsky's apple, Siever's apple tree and black alder. So we have developed technology for a total of 10 types of plants.
Видов растения мы разработали технологию.
Before transplanting small seedlings into the soil, the plants are placed in the sterile test tubes with special nutrient media. They are enriched with vitamins, hormones, micro and macro elements, and therefore such plants have several advantages.
Преимущество первое в том, что
The main advantage is that we take and propagate the mother plants which grow in north and central Kazakhstan. They are growing and have already been adapted to these climate conditions. The plants which do not grow here are usually brought from Europe. It does not always take root and start growing here. In our case, we take exactly the material grown here, propagate it in large amounts, and the benefit is that we make our own product.
условиях. И в чем наше преимущество, что мы создаем свой продукт.
Для растений это очень необходимо.
It is necessary to choose optimal conditions for plants' active photosynthesis, their growth, for instance, at a very high temperature, respectively. Plants do not grow properly and die. However, at a freezing temperature, plants grow slowly. So 24-26 degrees is the optimal temperature. Besides, the light is really important, as they grow in laboratory conditions and there is no natural light. These lamps provide sufficient spectrum for their growth. It takes about a year and a half, if not two, to transform a microshoot into a high-quality plant and material. That's why the center's biologists call them their offspring. After all, not only energy, but also a soul is put in each plant. Over the past 3 years, Kazakh biologists have planted about 6,500 such plants, which grow independently.